Papachi.
No, but see, looking in my phone.
Hello. Papachi. Here. Say hello to my viewers. What's your name? Papachi.
Handsome boy.
Only there.
Only here. Sick. Bye bye.
Hello.
Looking in the phone.
Who's Papachi? What's her name?
No. Papachi. Name is Papa. You see? Sayang,
Oh, she wanted to say. Oh, she kiss Papachi.
No, but see, looking in my phone.
Hello. Papachi.
Hello.
She's really talking.
Sayang, Papachi see you. You see? Hello. Talking in the phone.
Do you know that guy?
Hello.
What's the name? Papachi.
Hello. Talking in the
Hello.
phone.
I hear.
Hello. Hello. Papachi miss you, sayang. Hello. No, give me talk to you.
Oh, look at that. Look at her hair. Ouch. Can she
No,
beat?
She's happy.
Oh, when she's happy,
Yeah.
she do that. Wow. Why are you happy?
Boy.
How about her? Her?
Yeah. Is Papachi the name?
No.
You see, very handsome.
Papachi, you're so handsome.
Yeah. Handsome boy. Wait. No. Wait.
Oh, dear.
Hey. No. Papachi.
What's your
Jealous.
name? Hello.
No, look in my phone.
Yeah. Papachi. Papachi. Yeah.
Ate, you know, go to shopping
Tomorrow.
tomorrow?
Yeah.
You go to shopping is Park and Shop, right?
Yeah. Park and Shop Tuesday.
But afternoon,
Morning.
morning?
You want me to buy something?
No. I know give her phone, talk in phone and then pick me. Yeah, you see?
How old is she?
4 years.
How old are you?
Bye-bye, Papachi.
Bye bye.
Sayang, Papachi kiss you, sayang.